Hello friends, today's topic, these four stocks created buzz in the markets today. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Due to various announcements, news and quarter results, certain famous stocks have moved significantly up or down today. We are discussing brief reasons for the stock movement today. These stocks were the big movers today. Number one, HDFC AMC. HDFC Asset Management Company shares rallied by 6% today after strong quarter results were announced yesterday evening. Parameter revenue July-September 2023 643, July-September 2024 887, percentage change upwards 38%. Net profit 438 July-September 2023 and July-September 2024 577, percentage change plus 32%. Today, the company's market capitalization crossed the rupees 1 lakh crore for the first time. Improved profit margins and steady momentum in equity assets under management and helped the business and made the investors bullish on the stock. Due to the good results of HDFC AMC, other AMC stocks also rallied today. UTI AMC stocks was up by 7%, Nippon AMC was up by 2%, Aditya Birla AMC was up by 12% today. Brokerage companies have upward revised the target price. According to CLSA, has raised its target price from 4450 to 4920 per share. Today the share price rallied to 4828 already. Brokerage firm Noma has raised its target price to rupees 5240 from rupees 4910 per share earlier while retaining a buy. 2. BSE. Shares of the BSE fell up to 7% intraday today. However, it closed down 4.8% down. The shares fell due to a downgrade by local brokerage company Jefferies, which lowered its rating on the stock from hold to underperform by stating that there was unfavorable risk-reward profile in the short term. At the current market price, Jefferies believes that the risks for BSE business, especially the new regulations and F&O trading, etc., could have negative impact in the short term. So far this year, BSE stock has appreciated by 106%, and in the last 3 years, it has multiplied by 10 times from around 440 in October 2021 to 4,500 in October 2024. Number 3, Infosys. Infosys shares fell by 2% today after 3 days of positive closes. This could be profit booking before the quarterly results are announced tomorrow, October 17. TCS results were below expectation, whereas the HCL Tech quarter results were quite good and above expectation. Out of the 45 analysts that have covered on Infosys, 30 of them have buy recommendations, 10 have given hold rating, while 5 of them have sell rating. Infosys stock has risen around 30% so far in 2024. Shares have delivered negative annual returns only twice in the last decade, once in 2016 and other in 2022. The fourth stock that created a buzz in the market is M&M. M&M shares fell by 2.8% mainly due to profit booking after a fantastic rally of 16% in the last 1 month. Due to the improved performance, many brokerage companies had raised their target prices of M&M shares. M&M is expected to gain market share due to the new SUV launch. Kotak Institutional Equities has given the target price of 3,300 for M&M. Today's closing price was 3,068. End of the video, here is the question. Do you expect the asset management business to do well in India in the future? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.